Alright guys, check this one out. This is a vampire Fangs Set. We just had done for a customer. This one here is a pointy canine fang teeth with the connecting back bar hidden bridge. Okay, connects the two fangs together. Now this is 10K solid gold. You got your stamps on the back of the fang, and this is solid gold, guys. It's not a fake gold grill. This is real 10K solid gold. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is handmade, custom work. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.